Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to our first practice exercise for lesson 3, which was our Fatha or Zabar as we also call it. We will be doing a few of these practice exercises before moving on to the next lesson, which will be our Kasra or Zair as we also know it. So let's get right to it. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The practice exercise starts from this point and we will be ending over here, inshallah. The letters are in no specific order. This is just how we will practice. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ba, Fatha, Ba. Ta, Fatha, Ta. Tha, Fatha, Tha. Jim, Fatha, Ja. Kha, Fatha, Kha. Ra, Fatha, Ra. Za, Fatha, Za. Fa, Fatha, Fa. Ha, Fatha, Ha. Ya, Fatha, Ya. Waw, Fatha, Wa. Dal, Fatha, Da. Dhal, Fatha, Dha. Noon, Fatha, Na. Qaf, Fatha, Qa. Mim, Fatha, Ma. Kaf, Fatha, Ka. Lam, Fatha, La. Alif, Fatha, A. Kho, Fatha, Kha. Ain, Fatha, A. Ghain, Fatha, Gha. Sin, Fatha, Sa. Shin, Fatha, Sha. To, Fatha, Ta. Dho, Fatha, Dha. Sad, Fatha, Sa. Sad, Fatha, Sa. Well done. Let us try reading through that without saying Ba, Fatha, Ba. Let's just read through it. So it is Ba, Ta, Tha, Ja, Kha, Ra, Za, Fa, Ha, Ya, Wa, Da, Dha, Na, Qa, Ma, Ka, La, A, Kha, A, Gha, Sa, Sha, Ta, Dha, Sa, Sa. Alhamdulillah, and well done on completing our first practice exercise for our Fatha. In our next video, inshallah, we will do some more practice exercises. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Love and salams.